Organic Mike here. This is part 2, I'm assuming, of the airlift pump. Basically what we're fixing to do is we're going to take this 3/4 inch, we're going to stab it in this 2-inch black poly, and we're going to run it up about, I don't know if you can see that, it's going to sit in there about that far from the bottom. I don't know if you can hear that, the commercial running. But anyway, I'm going to drill this out a little bigger, and then we're going to heat it up with a torch and stab that sucker in there, and it'll basically cold weld. So we'll see what happens. But we're going to try just 100 foot in the well of this black poly because it comes in 100-foot sections. And if that doesn't work, we're going to run this second section down in there. It's a 150-foot well. This is something we just discovered. The compressor that they supplied us with is pretty dinky. And let me show you why. We need at least 2 cubic feet per minute. And if you look at the specs, it's showing half a cubic feet per foot per minute at 40 psi. So that ain't gonna cut it. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna test it out and see what it'll do. It'll be interesting to see what that little guy can do. But if that doesn't cut it, I brought the reserve compressor, which is 6.2 CFM at 90 psi. So that'll get some water out of the hole. That'll definitely overdrive that pump. And that guy right there doesn't want to be on the internet. OrganicMike.com. Subscribe if you like.